Cut the sink opening on countertop using water jet CNC router or hand cut using a wet saw. Use 2-part commercial grade epoxy. Mix part A and B. Apply epoxy at the sink cutout, approximately 3/8 to 1/2 inch below the top of the counter. Install the supplied flush mount sink support bracket, approximately 1/2 inch below the countertop surface, on all 4 sides. Allow the epoxy to completely cure before next step. After the epoxy is cured, install the sink height adjustment screws. 4 to 8 height adjustment screws depending on the size of the sink. Once all screws are installed, insert the sink back into the sink opening. Now we are going to dry fit the sink. Adjust sink height using height adjusting screws. Stop when the sink is flush with the countertop. After confirming the sink rim is flush with the countertop on all sides, remove the sink from the sink opening. Apply painter's tape at the sink opening to protect the countertop. Apply painter's tape on the sink rim. Once protective tape is applied to sink and countertop, you are ready for final installation. Apply silicone on top of the mounting bracket and on the inside perimeter of the sink opening. Make sure you apply a liberal amount of silicone to completely fill the space above the mounting bracket. Apply a thin butter coat of silicone to the bottom of the sink rim and on the edge of the sink rim. Once the silicone is applied to the countertop and sink rim, hold the sink by the drain opening only. Slowly insert the sink into the sink opening. Do not push down on the rim or bowl at this time. Let the sink naturally settle into position. Never push down on the rim. Once the sink is in position, with palms of your hands, using only your body weight, press the sink bowl downward. Do not push hard or shift side to side. By applying your body weight on the bottom of the bowl, the sink will slowly sink and stop at previously set location. Correctly installed, a lot of excess silicone will squeeze out between sink and countertop. Once the sink stops moving, stop. Use a plastic scraper or a putty knife. Scrape off all excess silicone between sink and countertop. After all excess silicone has been scraped off, mix a solution that consists of 75% water and 25% dish detergent. Dip your finger in this solution, then run your finger over the seam with force to remove any residual silicone left at the seam. This process will smooth out the silicone and create that seamless look. Lastly, simply peel off the protective tape. And now the installation is completed.